So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the mirror selfie feature on the camera of your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the camera app. Then from here, you want to ensure that you switched to the mirror selfie, the selfie camera. So just tap on this icon here to switch to the selfie camera option. Once you've done that, you then want to tap on this hamburger icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on settings. Under settings, you should see mirror selfie and it's currently enabled. So when it's enabled, you'll notice that when you take a photo like this, that the image is not mirrored. So if you want to have the image mirrored, then just tap on this icon again to go to your settings. And then you want to disable this mirror selfie feature like that by tapping on the toggle. Once you've done that, you'll notice now whenever you take a photo that your image is now mirrored. So it's up to you to decide if you want to have this feature enabled or disabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.